Hey guys, what's going on? My daughter's 2017 Toyota Corolla needs an oil change, so I figured, hey, you know what? Somebody out there might need this information, so let's jump in. The first thing I'd like to tell you about is this blue blanket right here. This is just a mover's blanket from Harbor Freight. They cost like $5. And Wendy actually suggested this to me one time when I was out here changing the oil. And it's great because it gives you a little bit of padding and you're not rolling around on the rough concrete. And the added bonus is if you spill any oil, it gets on this and doesn't get on your driveway. And if it gets really, really dirty, just throw it away and get you another one. And we'll get our drain bucket and get it up under the oil drain bolt without blocking you guys off, hopefully. I think you can probably still see that. Okay, your drain bolt is going to be a 14 millimeter. Just get yourself a regular 14 millimeter socket on a ratchet, or you can use a wrench, either one. There we go. Let it drain out into your drain bucket. Alright, once you got all your oil drained out, it's still going to drip for a little while, but it's okay to go ahead and put your drain bolt back in. It'll stop the drip. Wipe off the excess, of course. And go tighten it up. I know there's probably a proper torque spec for this, but best thing to do is just get it snug and just give it just a little tug. That's all you need, and it'll seal it right up. All right, next we're going to take off the oil filter, and this is a good thing for me to point out. I didn't say this a while ago, but when you come up under the car, you'll know that you've got the right drain bolt on the pan when you're right next to the oil filter. And I'll show you the transmission pan here in just a second, but it also has a drain bolt. Don't take that one out. Do the oil pan right next to the oil filter. And you should be able to take this thing off by hand. If not, we'll have to get some tools out for it. There we go. Now, a little bit of oil is going to start draining out of it, so be careful. Make sure that you've got your drain bucket directly up under it. There you go. Now, I won't take it all the way off right now. I'll just let it drain. All right, let's go ahead and get it off all the way. And we will put it right here in our drain bucket. Make absolutely sure you look at this surface here and make sure that this black gasket right here did not stick to the engine. If it did, you got to get it off of there. This particular oil filter came pre-lubricated on this O-ring right here. If you get another brand of oil filter and this O-ring or this seal is dry, take yourself some new oil and put on it so the gasket doesn't stick to the motor. And we're going to install the new filter. Give it about a half a turn. There we go. Wipe off the excess oil. Approved. This part over here, this is your transmission pan, and it'll take an Allen wrench to undo the drain bolt on this one, so don't take this one out. Take this one out, only the one with the 14 millimeter. This is where you'll put your oil in, and it says right on the cap there's 0W20 oil, but it doesn't tell you how much. This car takes 4.4 quarts of oil. You see the side of this. I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not, but you can see the level of oil inside. It says 1 quart right here, so we know we still got probably about 3/4 of a quart to go. And our level is right down here, so I think we're good to go on that one. Make sure you reinstall your cap. because if you don't, you'll have a mess. Once I get the car back down on level ground, I'll check the oil level. I'm going to go start the car and let's make sure that we don't have any leaks. All right, no leaks, we're good to go. And if you'll look right here, you're going to find a little yellow handle. That's where you're going to check your oil. So pull the dipstick out, wipe it off, and you see these two little dots. You're going to want your oil level to be in between those two dots. It's going to be kind of hard to see it when it's fresh, brand new oil, but I can see it on there. We're right close to the top of that top dot, and we are good to go. All right, guys, that's it. Really, the only thing left to do is dispose of your oil in a responsible manner, and that's it. If I can do it, I know you can do it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.